Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and detailed product reviews. Today, we're diving into what we believe to be the best sandwich containers on the market, the Freshmage 4-piece sandwich container set. Whether you're packing lunch for work, school, or a day out, these containers promise to keep your sandwiches fresh, intact, and ready to enjoy. The Freshmage sandwich containers come in a convenient set of 4, featuring 2 heightened containers and 2 regular-sized ones. This design is perfect for accommodating everything from thick, hearty sandwiches packed with all your favorite fillings to simple, classic slices. The heightened containers especially shine when you want to avoid squished or crushed sandwiches during transport, offering ample space for layers and extras. What really sets these containers apart is their airtight seal. Each container is equipped with a silicone ring around the lid and upgraded, durable snap locks that secure the lid firmly in place. This combination creates a sealed storage environment that keeps your sandwich fresh longer and prevents any odors or flavors from mixing if you're storing multiple foods in the fridge. The airtight feature also helps to avoid spills, making these containers highly practical for daily use. Made from BPA-free polypropylene plastic, these containers are safe for food contact and reusable, helping to reduce reliance on disposable sandwich bags. The material is both microwave and dishwasher safe, adding a level of convenience that busy people will appreciate. Just remember to remove or open the lids before microwaving to ensure safe heating and to place the lids on the top rack of your dishwasher for the best care. These containers aren't just limited to sandwiches. Their multi-purpose design makes them excellent for storing leftovers, snacks, meal preps, and even pasta or salads. Their square and rectangular shapes allow for easy stacking, optimizing your fridge or lunch bag space. The Freshmage sandwich containers measure approximately 7.5 inches in length and 6.7 inches in width and height, providing a solid capacity of 1,100 milliliters each. This size strikes a nice balance between being spacious enough to hold a satisfying meal and compact enough to fit comfortably in lunch bags or refrigerator shelves. Cleaning is straightforward, and while the containers themselves are dishwasher safe, hand-washing the lids is recommended to prolong their lifespan. The snaps are designed for durability, meaning you can expect these containers to withstand daily use without the frustration of broken locks or compromised seals. In summary, the Freshmage 4-piece sandwich container set offers a smart combination of practicality, durability, and safety. They are thoughtfully designed to protect your food, keep it fresh, and provide easy maintenance, all while being environmentally friendly. For anyone looking for a reliable lunchbox solution that goes beyond basic storage, these containers are a solid choice. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the Freshmage sandwich containers, don't forget to hit the like button. And subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.